Hello and welcome to the online video for 5 Gaddesby Road. This is a delightful 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. Okay, then moving into the property where we have the first reception room here. Nice bay window facing towards the front aspect and really well presented accommodation throughout this property. Onto the second reception room. We've got the built-in understairs storage pantry here on the right hand side. And then stairs in the corner leading up to the first floor. And then coming through to the kitchen, which has an integrated cooker, gas hob, and then also the wall mounted gas boiler. Door leading outside into the garden. And then through to the bathroom where we have WC, wash basin and electric shower over the bath. And then on to the first floor where we have 2 bedrooms. Front bedroom being this one here. So both nice double rooms. And through to the rear bedroom. Which then has a view to the rear. Okay, and then just moving outside into the rear garden where we have the patio here, which leads down to the main garden area. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give the office a call as soon as you can, and we'll hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.